business, but I was just saying.
I think that's what they did right with Cody Hodgson. It's like yeah, I know. Hopefully it's a good long play on. Did you go many of the games? Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Which round is it?
Are you in the course or just like...
Pardon?
Are you in the course?
Yeah, we're doing up, we're finishing off our advance.